Come January 2022, you will find your organization facing even more stringent restrictions on input tax credit or ITC claims that you no longer will be allowed to claim provisional ITC. In addition to the complications involved in return filings and invoice reconciliations, you will have added burden of optimizing ITC claims and effectively managing your vendors. If you fail, your organization's working capital and profitability could get severely impacted. Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Annapurna from Clear, from the makers of ClearTax. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform, serving more than 3,000 large enterprises, more than 4 lakh businesses, including many well-known brands. Welcome back to our channel, and if you happen to be new here, I have an exciting announcement for our new subscribers. We have exclusive free GST compliance calendar for you that will help you stay 100% GST compliant throughout the year without any stress. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description below. Developments so far on the removal of provisional ITC. In the 45th GST Council meeting, the GST Council recommended that businesses must not be allowed to claim provisional ITC at all and amend Rule number 36 Sub-Rule 4. Earlier, Section 16 Subsection 2 was amended by the Finance Act 2021, adding one more condition in Clause AA. ITC claims would be restricted only to the extent that respective suppliers furnish invoices or debit notes in their form GSTR1 or Invoice Furnishing Facility called IFF. These claims must reflect in their GSTR2B for them to be allowed ITC. As per the current update on 21st December 2021, this move was notified by the CBIC White Central Tax Notification number 39/2021 to apply from 1st January 2022. Until 31st December 2021, businesses could continue claiming 5% of ITC in GSTR2B as additional ITC claimed on provisional basis without invoice uploaded by vendor. However, from 1st January 2022, they have to depend completely on GSTR2B for their ITC claims reported in GSTR3B. Issues posed to businesses in smooth ITC claims and the impact. Increased dependency on vendors has now turned into a problem, with 5% provisional ITC allowed so far, soon going to be done away with from 1st January 2022. Now, if your vendors don't upload their invoices, you are at a bigger risk of losing out on money in tax outflows. But how do businesses find out which invoices have not been uploaded yet by their vendors? You should have exhaustive reconciliation processes in place throughout the year, like weekly or multiple times a week, and not wait until the year gets over for conducting reconciliation or matching. This way, you must be able to identify defaulting vendors and communicate to them and nudge them to upload missing invoices at the earliest. Not just any other vendor communication channel, but businesses now need to have dynamic system in place for real-time tracking, for reconciliations, communications, tracking, follow-up, and also have vendor management strategies in place to deal with non-compliant vendors. The stringent limitations on input tax credit claims mean that for every default by your vendors, your enterprise takes the hit. If vendor delays uploading invoices, then you could end up paying that extent of GST liability in cash until your vendor complies, thereby affecting your working capital. Supposedly, your vendors do not upload their invoices at all. Your eligible input tax credit ends up becoming an expense for your enterprise, directly impacting the profitability. In fact, the issue of inefficient reconciliations and vendor non-compliance has resulted in Indian businesses losing up to 7% of their profits each year. Hence, every business now needs to have a dynamic system in place to match their purchase invoices to identify all the ITC that can be claimed as well as the ITC that is missing in GSTR2B. Are you enjoying the learning? Do type in your GST queries in the comment section below and we will address them for you at the earliest. Let's proceed to the most awaited section of this video on how we can solve this ITC problem for you. Introduction to ClearMax ITC and resolutions. Tasks such as reconciliation, vendor communication, and vendor payment management must be automated. ClearMax ITC is India's first end-to-end solution for maximizing input tax credit claims. ClearMax ITC platform has exclusive features to improve your input tax credit claims with value additions. First of all, it hosts the fastest AI-based reconciliations, match invoices without any errors and help you identify 100% ITC. Secondly, automated data reconciliations take place by direct data pulls from GSTN and ERP at regular intervals. Third, automated vendor communication helps you to keep follow-up efforts at a bare minimum. Fourth, smart payment decisions are synced to a business ERP based on automated vendor categorization through an intelligent vendor scoring mechanism. Fifth, advanced user access management helps you define access rights for each team and keeps data absolutely secure. The platform firstly establishes a two-way connection between it and your ERP or accounting-based system. It will schedule automatic reconciliation of the GST data at regular time intervals and also syncs vendor payment decisions. You and your team can fix the vendor payment terms to automatically hold the GST value or the entire invoice due if your vendor has not filed his GSTR1. It further syncs this decision with the ERP for all future payments as well. Max ITC runs data matching ensuring 100% accuracy. If any invoice is missing and identified so, a communication is auto-sent to the concerned vendor via email, WhatsApp, etc. With passing time, you will notice that ClearMax ITC solution has helped you reduce number of defaulting vendors, optimize input tax credit claims, and unblock your working capital. We have seen that the solution has helped many of our clients reduce their GST cash outflows and increase profits by up to 7% just by way of ITC maximization. Quick demo of how ClearMax ITC works. Let me help you picturize how these features work as our product expert takes you through the ClearMax ITC solution. If you want to get a detailed demo of ClearMax ITC solution from our experts and understand more about its functionalities, then do click on the link given in the video description below to book a free demo. Now that you've got much clarity on how you can save money through tax optimization for your enterprise staff amid removal of provisional ITC through ClearMax ITC, then make sure to save this video for future references as well. Do share this with your corporate colleagues and friends and help them gain insights. If you find the video helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to fill in the form provided in the video description below to win your free gift. Thank you.